Thanks for choosing the Laguna SuperMax 1938 Drum Sander. In this video, we'll show you how to change the conveyor belt, which you may have to do from time to time. We will start by removing the two main mounting nuts and washers that secure the conveyor assembly to the base. Next, we can remove the Allen screws that position the quick lever. You can just leave the quick lever in place like you see here. Unplug the conveyor motor and disconnect the power. Now move the conveyor assembly to a surface. We found the original packing box worked great and provided some overhang to make it easier to loosen the belt tension. If your machine has ceramic belt guides, you can remove and throw them away. They aren't really necessary. You can now slide off the old belt and install your new one. For this demo, we're going to keep the same belt because it still has a lot of life left. The quick lever should be in the same place, so make sure it looks like shown here. Now, place the conveyor assembly back onto the base and secure with the nuts and washers. On the other side, simply align the quick lever plate and reinstall the Allen bolts. They only need to be finger tight, which enables the quick lever to operate smoothly. We can now level the INFEED roller with the table. Use a straight edge placed on the metal part of the conveyor table and we'll adjust the roller to be level. Pay attention to not place your straight edge on the actual belt. This process is metal to metal. You only need to loosen one screw on the bracket and it will provide a little pivoting to help bring the roller into position. We'll repeat the process for the other side by removing the bottom plate of the switch box and loosening one of the screws, and repeat the level process, and remember to retighten the screw and put the bottom cover back on. From time to time, it's a good thing to oil the brass bushings on the ends of the rollers. So let's center the belt on the rollers and leave an equal amount of space on both ends. And retension the rollers, working a little bit on one side and then a little bit on the other side. This alternating process will help keep the tension equal on both sides. It's important not to over-tension the belt, so start loose and tighten until the belt doesn't slip by using a slightly firm hand press while the conveyor is moving. And when it's just right, you're ready to start sanding again.